All right, y'all, pull up a chair and grab your apron, because today I'm sharing a Midwest family secret that's gonna turn your meatloaf game upside down. Now, I know everyone thinks their mama's meatloaf is the best, but trust me, this one's a showstopper. Let's start with the basics. You need good ground beef. Get it as fresh as you can. I like to mix in a little pork too, just for that extra juiciness. Now here's the twist. Instead of plain breadcrumbs, I use crushed buttery crackers. That's right, Ritz crackers. They melt right in and give the meatloaf this dreamy, tender bite. Mix in some chopped onions, a little green pepper, and don't skimp on the garlic. Then, I crack in 2 farm eggs, pour in a hefty splash of milk, and sprinkle in plenty of salt and pepper. Now, for the real secret, my grandma's tangy glaze. It's just ketchup, brown sugar, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce, whisked together and slathered over the top before baking. I bake it low and slow, 350 degrees for about an hour. Your whole house is gonna smell like Sunday at Grandma's, I promise. When it's done, let it rest before you slice. That's how you keep all those juices locked in. Serve it up with mashed potatoes and green beans, and you've got yourself a meal to remember. Give this a try, and I bet you'll never look at meatloaf the same again. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know down below. What's your family's secret ingredient? Thank you so much for watching, and welcome to Global Family Cookbook. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you never miss a family favorite.